Also wanted to address the elephant in the room. Started the recording. Give me more footage, you know that, right? Yesterday was such a fail.
I'm outside looking in. The locks are all different. It happened on a whim. And now I'm wondering if I can now begin the life I've been missing. Lost your head. I can't believe another word you've said. Let's just promise not to leave this dead. I can't lie, but I can't help you see. I can't afford your rent, it's too heavy. The room inside my head is too costly. You take your luggage and I'll take the key. I know you love it, but I disagree. The cage I was locked in, a whole lot like prison. It left me in despair.
Good morning, everyone. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Welcome to another weekend in my life kind of a vlog, which means it's Saturday today. Despite my best efforts, I woke up before 8. But I was lying on my bed for a good half an hour before I decided to get out of the bed and get ready and go for a walk. I'll be honest, it's been about a week since I did any kind of movement, let alone go for a walk. So this felt really good. Walking is my favorite kind of movement because it's so low effort. But yeah, it's a Saturday and I'm working today, but it's going to be a very light day, almost like a non-working day. I might have to dip in every now and then to work on something, so it means that I can't go anywhere. I have to be available at home. It's gotten so hot in Pune in the last couple of weeks that it it's unbearable. And most houses in Pune, even today, don't have air conditioning. We have rented three apartments so far in Pune, and none of those had ACs. This house doesn't have AC also. Also wanted to address the elephant in the room, which is the mic. I didn't mention anything about it in the last vlog. I actually had a couple of clips of me testing out the mic, but the last vlog was so all over the place that I didn't think it fit anywhere, so I skipped it. I got this random brand mic from Amazon. It's a very cheap one. It's literally just 700 rupees. So far, I really like it. It's not the best quality, but it does the job. What do you think? Do you like this sound? Let me know in the comments. And is this distracting, me holding a mic in my hand?
I'm outside looking in. The locks are all different. It happened on a whim.
I made some upma, boiled eggs, and of course, I have my huge coffee over here. And I'm just gonna watch some Schitt's Creek for the umpteenth time. I think it's the fourth or fifth time that I've started the whole series. I have these phases in between watching. I have these phases in between watching content where I don't feel like watching anything new. I just want to feel comforted, and I go back to these handful of shows that I love watching again and again. One of them is Schitt's Creek. Another one is Gilmore Girls. I have lost count of how many times I've seen Gilmore Girls. Um, Friends used to be a comfort show, but of late, I don't know. I don't find it as comforting. So I just got done with lunch, which was mixed veg pulao and dal. And I was craving something sweet, and I always have one of these jars in my fridge, which is a tiramisu jar. I am a tiramisu fanatic. I will go above and beyond to find the best tiramisu. And ironically, the best tiramisu that I found in my area happens to be gluten free and sugar free. I have tried so many in this area, and nothing comes close to this one. It's from a place called Upside Health, and they deliver through Zomato. They have several branches in Pune. I'm gonna enjoy this, and I think I'm gonna start decluttering now. Along with um, along with decluttering, I also want to organize the cupboard a bit, because right now everything is everywhere and it's just not manageable. I am also going to wipe down each of the sections. I also have these liners, these cupboard liners that I'm gonna use on each of these sections. If you're interested in this, I have a link in the bio for you. I make my own cleaning solution. I don't buy from the store. This is an old bottle of one of the, glass cleaning liquid that I got from the supermarket. And what I use in this is 2 parts vinegar, 1 part dishwash, and then I fill it up with water. This works really well for everyday use and dusting and things like that. And the vinegar that I use in this, I bulk buy it from Amazon. So if you want, I'll link that also in the description.
I can't believe another way you've said. Let's just promise that we'll leave this dead. I can't lie, but I can't help you see. I can't afford your rent too.
It's so much later now. It's almost 7:30 in the evening, and as you can see, I'm kind of ready to go out. We're going out for dinner. I'm wearing this kind of like a tunic kurti kind of a thing with jeans. I remember wearing outfits like this in college, which was like ages ago, and now this kind of fashion is coming back. So I'm really glad, because this is so comfortable. As a millennial, very grateful. Anyway, I'm in the mood to get dressed. Oh, by the way, I finished decluttering the wardrobe and also organizing it. There's nothing much to show you, but it just looks prettier and more organized and less cluttered. I even have a few empty racks over here and on the bottom. So, but yeah, as I said, I'm in the mood to get dressed. I thought I could show how I'm accessorizing this. Thought I could wear some silver jewelry, which I haven't worn in a very long time. Options for silver earrings. I have this one, which is really pretty. It has pearl detailing on the bottom. This one too. It's really pretty as well. I think this one looks better with this outfit, so I think I'm gonna wear this. By the way, I got this kurti from Shopper Stop. They have a really good collection of kurtis that's come in. Affordable but really good quality. Um, yeah, I like that. I think nothing on my neck. I have a silver watch, and I have this kada kind of a thing that I got recently from a local market, which I think will go really well with this. I'm ready. So that's the final look. I'm not gonna. Should I wear a bindi? Hold on.
I'm outside looking in. The looks are all different. It happened on a whim.
Good morning, everyone. It's Sunday, it's the next day. Woke up late and I had some chores to do, which I did, and then made breakfast, had breakfast, and now I'm just chilling with my coffee here. Yesterday was such a fail. Uh, we were supposed to go to Sukanta. Sukanta is a very famous thali place here in Pune, which we love frequenting every few months. And usually it's always crowded. We know that we were expecting a little bit of a wait, but yesterday there was a waiting time of over an hour, which I don't think we had the patience for that. And we were hungry. So we made an executive decision to ditch Sukanta and go to Barbecue Nation next door. Barbecue Nation is no longer what it used to be. The food is abysmal. You don't get what you pay for. So we were disappointed. Anyway, today is going to be a chill day mostly. I do have some chores. Sorry. I do have some chores. We might go grocery shopping in the afternoon, but I've been avoiding that for past couple of weeks now. And now it's gotten to a point that I really do need to go grocery shopping. So that will be our afternoon, but otherwise it's mostly chill. Back from the grocery shop, and I shot a short video of everything I got from the grocery store, which I'm going to insert right now. Moong dal, kabuli chana, red chili powder, haldi, dhania, peanut, soft, biryani masala, garam masala, pav bhaji masala, basmati rice, ghee, groundnut oil, pizza sauce, digestive biscuit, Cadbury cookies, spaghetti pasta, methi seed, sanitary napkin, wet wipe, tissues, detergent, fabric softener, dishwash, floor cleaner, body mist, toothpaste, scrub, and some miscellaneous stuff. I hope you enjoyed that video. A little snippet of things I got from the grocery shop, but I'm just gonna refill everything right now and put things in place. Welcome to my kitchen. I have some zero maida pizza base that I absolutely need to use today because it's on its last leg, which is why I got the pizza sauce and things like that. It's not gonna be nearly enough for dinner, but I already have some pulao. Sorry, I already have some pulao. So I thought this could be like a starter or something. I love this brand, by the way. It's the Health Factory, and this is available on Instamart. I get their bread as well, which is really good. So I thought I would show you how I'm making it. I'm making in the microwave. It's very easy. It's like the simplest street style pizza that you can make. I have some veggies over here: onion, capsicum, mushroom. Um, and as you saw, I bought some pizza sauce from the grocery store. I have cut the vegetables. I'm gonna saute it a little bit in a little bit of oil so that the veggies cook a bit. I don't think it'll cook in the microwave because I'm only gonna microwave it for a minute till the cheese melts. I have cheese as well in the fridge from the last time I made pasta. So before that goes bad, I have to use that up as well. So this is really just me being prudent and getting through all the ingredients that I have at home. There's a little bit of an issue. Remember, I told you I had some cheese left from the time I had made pasta like almost a month ago. Yeah, that cheese was no longer cheese. What I mean is, it had gone bad. So we basically don't have cheese. It's gonna be a cheeseless pizza. It's fine, right? I mean, is it still pizza if it doesn't have cheese on it? I mean, I'm using a no maida base, so It was already not a pizza. Still gonna taste good, I hope. Alright, so this is what it looks like after a minute in the microwave. It doesn't look any different from what it was before I put it in the microwave, but I hope it tastes okay. Anyway, this is not our main food. This was supposed to be a starter kind of a thing. I think it should be fine. And just like that, the weekend is over. Well, almost. I just took a nice shower, did my skincare. My skin is looking like a glazed donut. But before I go to bed, I'm gonna read for some time, maybe for half an hour, and then I'm gonna call it a day. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and if you've stayed this far, leave a pink heart emoji in the comments. If you enjoy videos like this, cozy, comforting videos, then do consider subscribing if you already haven't. Like this video, leave a comment, and share it with your friends and family. I'll see you again next time. Good night.